7 healthy salad recipes for effective weight loss. Hi and welcome back to my channel Healthy Bites. Check out these 7 salad recipes for a healthy boost to your meal prep game. Not only are these salads full of nutritious ingredients, but they're also perfect for making progress toward your weight loss goals. With each recipe, you'll enjoy a filling and nourishing meal without worrying about excess calories. Number 1. Chickpea Avocado Feta, 330 calories. You're going to love this chickpea avocado feta salad. It's a perfect combination of flavors and textures that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. And the best part? It's only 330 calories per serving, so you can indulge without the guilt. This salad is packed with protein-rich chickpeas, creamy avocado slices, and tangy feta cheese. The simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs adds a refreshing and light touch that's perfect for any meal of the day. But it's not just delicious, it's also incredibly nutritious. The chickpeas are a great source of fiber and plant-based protein, while the avocado adds healthy fats and vitamins. And the crumbled feta cheese perfectly balances the flavors, making this salad a real treat for your taste buds. Number 2. Corn and avocado, 190 calories. This corn and avocado salad is a tasty and nutritious option. With only 190 calories per serving, the combination of sweet corn kernels and creamy avocado creates a delightful contrast of flavors and textures. Corn is a rich in fiber and antioxidant, while avocado provides healthy monounsaturated fats and essential nutrients. Tossed with a simple dressing of lime juice, olive oil, and fresh herbs, this salad is a refreshing and light choice. It can be enjoyed as a side dish or as a light meal on its own. Indulge in this low-calorie salad and savor the deliciousness of corn and avocado coming together in perfect harmony. Number 3. Corn, cauliflower, and cucumber, 160 calories. This salad is simply delicious. The corn, cauliflower, and cucumber make a perfect trio, and each bite gives you a burst of sweetness, crunch, and refreshment. Plus, it's a low-calorie option, so you don't have to worry about counting calories. With only 160 calories per serving, this salad won't weigh you down. On top of that, corn is high in fiber, and cauliflower is packed with all sorts of nutrients. The cucumber is refreshing crunch and adds extra hydration. Toss it with a few herbs, lemon juice, and olive oil for a light dressing, and you're good to go. You can enjoy it as side dish or even as light dressing, and you're good to go. You can enjoy it as a side dish or even as a light meal. It's that tasty. Nourish your body with this delicious and healthy combo of ingredients. Number 4. Vegetables and rice, 250 calories. This vegetable and rice dish is a nutritious and low-calorie option. With only 250 calories per serving, packed with a variety of colorful vegetables and hearty rice, it provides a balanced meal. The combination of vegetables such as carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and peas offers a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Rice provides energy and serves as a filling base for the dish. Seasoned with herbs and spices, this flavorful meal is both satisfying and nourishing. It's a great choice for those seeking a healthy and low-calorie option that doesn't compromise on taste. Enjoy this vegetable and rice dish as a standalone meal or pair it with your favorite protein for a complete and wholesome plate. Number 5. Strawberry Spinach, 170 calories. The strawberry spinach salad is a delightful and healthy choice. With only 170 calories per serving, this refreshing salad combines the sweetness of fresh strawberries with the earthy flavor of spinach. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, while spinach offers a wealth of essential nutrients like iron and folate. Tossed with a light dressing such as balsamic vinaigrette, this salad is a perfect balance of flavors. The juicy strawberries complement the crispness of spinach leaves, creating a refreshing and satisfying combination. Enjoy this low-calorie salad as a side dish or add some grilled chicken or tofu to make it a complete and nutritious meal. Savor the delicious flavors and reap the nutritional benefits of this strawberry spinach salad. Number 6. Carrot chicken, 320 calories. The carrot chicken dish is a flavorful and nutritional option. With only 320 calories per serving, this dish combines tender chicken pieces with the natural sweetness of carrots. Chicken is a lean source of protein, while carrots are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The combination of these ingredients creates a well-balanced and satisfying meal seasoned with herbs and spices. This dish is bursting with flavor. It can be prepared in various ways, such as stir-frying, roasting, or grilling, allowing for versatility in cooking methods. Whether enjoyed with a side steamed vegetables or served over a bed of rice, this carrot chicken dish is a delicious and healthy choice for your next meal. Number 7. Delicious and easy salad recipe, 340 calories. This salad recipe is the bomb. It's super easy to whip up and is ideal for when you're in the mood for something light and healthy. Each serving only packs 340 calories, which means you can indulge guilt-free. The salad is jam-packed with fresh and colorful veggies like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers that are loaded with tons of nutrients to keep you feeling great. The dressing is nice and light with options like vinaigrette or lemon juice that add a refreshing zing. If you want the protein factor, toss in some grilled chicken, tofu, or chickpeas into the mix. You can have the salad as a meal on its own or as a side to complement your main course. Whatever the case, with its simplicity and low-calorie content, you simply can't go wrong with this nutrition-packed salad. And that concludes our list of 7 healthy salad recipes for effective weight loss. Do you happen to know any healthy salad recipes for weight loss that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!